Another bird to let fly into the summer evenings. I ask to stay forever, they do not believe it. Attempt to try my best, never stress, they love me less. I'm content with trusting them forever without any reasons. That is just the way it goes. Too much temporary in my life, like when you pick a rose that's vibing in the sun. Go get a glass, I swear it's dying quick because it looks so beautiful. Some people never give a shit. I'm sick and tired of trying, I got no lies that I'm hiding. I put them flat on the table cause I don't wanna be fighting. I understand my mistakes, I understand all the hurt, but when I tell you we'll be fine, I'm always making it worse. I swear these birds fly away for the same damn reasons. Miscommunication is the face of all the pretense. I am not complacent, every day that you've been leaving, then you're back by the weekend. I never want to let go.